Welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. We're so happy to have you here again.
Today's episode smells really good.
Oh, I can guess the topic already. Coffee?
Exactly. We're talking about coffee, cafes, and real English conversations you can have in your favorite coffee shop.
That's my kind of lesson. Warm, friendly, and slightly caffeinated.
So, let's imagine it's a Saturday morning. You walk into a cozy cafe, soft music, people reading, the sound of milk steaming.
And that beautiful smell of fresh coffee. The barista smiles and says, "Hi there, what can I get for you today?"
That's your cue. You can say, "Can I get a latte, please?" Or, "I'd like a cappuccino."
Or, if you want to sound more natural, "I'll have a flat white, please."
Right. The structure "can I get" and "I'll have" are perfect for ordering in a coffee shop.
Let's give listeners a mini scene, a real-life dialogue.
Okay, you be the barista.
Great. Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get an oat milk latte, please?
Sure. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Anything to eat?
Maybe a croissant. Do you have almond croissants?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'll take one, please.
That'll be $7.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thanks. Your order will be ready soon.
Smiles. Perfect English cafe conversation.
And that's not only useful for travelers, it's real everyday English.
Absolutely. You can use those same phrases anywhere, in a cafe in London, Buenos Aires, New York, or Tokyo.
And you can also hear little phrases from baristas like, "Do you want that hot or iced? Would you like any sugar or syrup? Can I get your name for the order?"
That last one always makes me nervous. I never know if they'll spell my name right.
I once got my name written as John.
Maybe they thought you were from Philadelphia. Let's talk about the types of coffee you might hear in English.
Yes, there are so many. Let's go through them slowly.
Okay. First, espresso. Small, strong, one shot of pure coffee.
Then, Americano, espresso with hot water. It's lighter and bigger.
Cappuccino, espresso with steamed milk and lots of foam.
Latte, similar, but with more milk and less foam.
Flat white, that smooth Australian version of a latte, usually stronger.
Macchiato, espresso with just a little milk foam on top.
And mocha, espresso, chocolate, and milk. Dessert in a cup.
That's my kind of breakfast.
Oh, and don't forget iced coffee or cold brew, perfect for summer days.
True. And the barista might ask, "Would you like that hot or iced? Or with milk or black?"
There's also the question for here or to go, meaning, will you drink it in the cafe or take it away?
So you can answer, "For here, please," or "To go, please."
You know what's funny? Ordering coffee says a lot about a person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for example, a cappuccino person might be calm and classic.
A flat white drinker is a little mysterious. Creative type.
And an espresso person?
Serious. Efficient. Maybe a little dramatic.
That's totally you.
Guilty.
Let's talk about conversation in cafes, because a coffee shop is a perfect place for small talk.
True. You can start with the simplest questions. How's your day going? Busy morning? I love this place. Do you come here often?
Those are friendly, natural, and perfect for real life. You can also compliment the atmosphere. I love the smell of coffee here. The music is so relaxing. This place has such a cozy vibe. And if you want to continue the chat, what do you usually order here? Or have you tried their brownies?
Cafes are great for meeting new people, too.
Totally. I once made a friend in a coffee shop just because we ordered the same drink.
Really?
Yes. I said, "Oh, you got a caramel latte too?" And we started talking about our favorite cafes.
That's how friendships and great conversations begin.
Let's imagine another mini scene, two people meeting for coffee.
Okay, let's do it.
Hey, So good to see you.
You too. How have you been?
Good. Just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. It's been a crazy week. I really needed this coffee break.
Me too. I feel like I live here lately.
What are you having?
Just my usual, a cappuccino.
Nice. I'm trying something new today, an iced mocha.
Oh, that sounds good. Maybe I'll try it next time.
You should. It's sweet, but not too much.
That's such a common rhythm in real English. Short, easy sentences, back and forth, light tone.
Exactly. You don't need perfect grammar to sound friendly.
It's about tone, interest, and connection.
Let's share a few polite phrases you can use in cafes.
Great idea.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Mind if I sit here?
Could I have another napkin, please?
Would you mind turning the music down a little?
Only if you're brave.
Or this one. Do you have Wi-Fi?
What's the Wi-Fi password?
And a useful one if you spill coffee. Oh, I'm so sorry. Or let me grab a napkin.
By the way, there's one phrase baristas often say, next in line, please.
Right, that means who's next to order. You can also hear, what can I get started for you? Or anything else today? And at the end, here's your drink, enjoy, or have a great day.
You can reply, thanks, you too.
You know what I love about coffee shops? Each one has its own personality.
True. Some are quiet, perfect for reading. Others are full of laughter and conversations.
And the English you hear there feels alive, not from textbooks, from real people.
Exactly. That's why listening to this kind of podcast helps. You can imagine yourself inside the scene.
I actually have a funny story about a coffee order.
Oh, go on.
Once in London, I tried to sound cool and ordered a flat white extra hot. The barista looked confused and said, "All right, I'll microwave it for you."
Oh, no.
Lesson learned. Sometimes too much English can backfire.
I once accidentally ordered 5 espressos because I didn't understand the plural form. I just said 5 shots, and he really gave me 5.
That's not coffee, that's an engine starter.
Let's give our listeners a few coffee idioms and expressions.
Oh, yes, they're fun. Like, wake up and smell the coffee. It means see the reality, be aware.
Twee coffee break, a short rest at work to relax or chat.
Let's grab a coffee sometime. An informal way to say, let's meet.
Spill the beans, not exactly coffee, but another bean thing. It means to reveal a secret.
True. I love how coffee connects people, in English and in life.
It's true. You don't need a big plan, just a table, 2 cups, and time.
That's how language grows, through small, real moments.
Like this podcast.
Let's add a few advanced phrases for those who want to sound more like locals.
Okay, hit me.
Could I get that to go? Instead of take away.
Can I get a refill when you want more coffee?
No rush, to sound polite when waiting.
Take your time if someone else is ordering or choosing.
I'll grab a seat over there.
Do you take card instead of do you accept credit cards?
Short, real, natural.
You know, I read somewhere that coffee shops are where creativity lives. Writers, artists, students, everyone comes with ideas.
Yes, it's true. When you sit in a cafe, words flow easier. Maybe because of caffeine, maybe because of the atmosphere.
Or maybe because the people watching is so good.
Exactly. You can sit for hours just listening to accents and conversations.
So, for our listeners, if you ever travel to an English-speaking country, visit a local cafe.
Listen to how people order, how they greet each other.
Notice the rhythm. Short sentences, friendly tone, lots of please and thanks.
And practice. Even ordering coffee is English learning.
So let's imagine one more final cozy cafe scene.
Okay. Hi, can I get a cappuccino and a blueberry muffin, please?
Of course, for here or to go.
For here, please. Oh, and can I get that with almond milk?
Sure thing. That'll be $6.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thanks. Your order will be ready in a minute.
A few minutes later, this coffee is amazing.
Glad you like it. Nothing beats a good cappuccino on a rainy day.
Totally agree. You know what's funny? We've talked about coffee for 20 minutes and I really want one now.
Same! This podcast should come with a free latte.
Or at least a coffee-scented candle.
Before we go, let's review the key phrases from today, but naturally, no lists, just reminders.
Remember to say, "Can I get?" or "I'll have" when you order.
For here or to go, the classic barista question.
Would you like any sugar or milk? You'll hear that often. That'll be the price.
And never forget, please and thank you. Those two words make your English warm.
So, what's your go-to coffee order?
Latte with oat milk, smooth and a little sweet. Yours?
Espresso. Simple, strong, and fast. Like my mornings. Classic John.
To our listeners, what about you? Write in the comments what your favorite coffee is and what you usually say when you order it in English.
And share your funny cafe stories too. Maybe the time your name was written wrong on a cup.
We all have one.
Thank you for joining us for another cozy episode of Hello English Podcast.
If you enjoyed this one, please give it a like. It really helps more people find the show.
And don't forget to subscribe for more real English, warm stories, and friendly voices.
Until next time, enjoy your coffee and keep learning English.
See you at the cafe.